Look here. To reach where I reach in my life and my career, smart, no make it. You have to be brilliant.
And I know me see people like you know, where go around the system. But you know what is disappointing about you? You're supposed to be upholding the law, but you broke it.
Interesting how you always talk like you know me. You don't have a clue.
Women have a clue about Savage. Say you used to be a bad boy police. We go around go rough up the damn them. And then one night, them come at your yard and it so happened that your daughter get killed. She innocent, yes. What would the f you think did that happen? You shake up the damn them. Them are gonna retaliate. You have to live with that.
You know them have a saying, your life long, but you're careless with it.
Is that a threat?
You know, so them get the right name. Bubbles. Cause you always a bubble. You know, so the loan shark them, it really after your brethren. And it was either you or him. It was a loose cannon. And I want to tell you something. You lucky how it end up right now. I want to tell you as a matter of fact though, the loan company would have like Mike shares in that company, yeah? What do you think about that?
Tell them come. Take it. Me a wait.
Don't shoot the messenger. I just carry the message. Alright? So what you for now?
Careful in yourself.
Ooh. You too, sir. You too. Look at it, never tell you. King David sits upon his heavenly throne. Hallelujah.
Oh Jesus.
See people business and leave it alone. Hallelujah.
You might want to save your strength. Why you don't have a glass of water?
Sir, what are you doing here?